So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can download any mod on your Minecraft on mobile. So step number one, the first thing that we need to do is head over to the Play Store. And then you want to go down now, click on the search icon. Go to the top, click on the search bar. And then we now need to simply search for File Manager. Once we search for File Manager, click on the search result at the top. And then you can download pretty much any of the ones that you want. Now, the one that I've got is this one right here. So if you want to download the same one, download and install this to your device. And then we are good to go now to the next step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I'm then going to go over to Chrome. And then if we head over now to a site called mcpedl.org, and then you can then click on the menu here and then select the mods. And then if we then scroll down, you will then be able to see all of the available mods on this specific website. So what I'm going to do, let's just say that I want to download the Sonic mod, for example. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on download. And then you can then click on the mod option here at the top. And then as you can see, it will then just check for viruses. Now it will take a couple of seconds. So all we need to do is simply wait for this to count down. And then once it has counted down, you can then click on download file. The download will then start. So just give it a couple of seconds here. And as you can see, click on download again if you want to do that. And then once it's fully downloaded, we can then go back. And now we need to go over to our file manager. So obviously you've got Minecraft downloaded already, right? So as you can see, once the Sonic mod does show up here, you can then click on this. And then all we need to do to install it is click on the Minecraft option. So you want to open up the mod with Minecraft. So click on Minecraft here. Once Minecraft does open up, what you will notice is that the import will then start. It will take a couple of seconds, and then as you can see, successfully imported Sonic mod right there. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can download and install mods on your Minecraft mobile edition.